Welcome to our module on scaffolds and access equipment. Whether you're a steam fitter, pipe fitter, or any tradesperson working above ground, knowing how to safely use and inspect these platforms can literally save your life. Let's dive into the different types and safety rules. The most common system you will encounter is the standard tubular frame scaffold. It is highly portable and relatively easy to assemble using prefabricated steel or aluminum tubes. Notice this walk-through frame at the base. It is specifically designed to allow pedestrian traffic or the easy movement of materials on the ground level without compromising the structure's integrity. If you're working in an area with a solid level floor, a rolling scaffold is incredibly useful. You can build a tower on wheels and easily move it between work areas. Just remember, the height cannot exceed 3 times its smallest base dimension to prevent tipping. What happens when you need to work around a non-rectangular structure, like a massive circular tank? That is where tube and clamp scaffolds come in. Because they're built from individual pipes, they are infinitely adjustable in height and width. The entire system relies on special fittings, like this 90-degree wedge lock clamp. Because it is so customizable, only highly trained and experienced workers should erect these, usually following an engineer's approved drawing. A variation of the tube and clamp is the system scaffold. Instead of placing clamps arbitrarily, the vertical poles have patented colors set at regular intervals. This makes assembly much faster, while ensuring the horizontal connections are perfectly spaced and incredibly secure. Sometimes building a scaffold from the ground up simply is not an option. Suspended scaffolds hang from overhead supports. This 2-point scaffold, often called a swing stage, is raised and lowered using a motorized lift system attached to the suspension cables. Let's shift gears to aerial work platforms, which are heavily used on industrial sites. A powered scissor lift uses hydraulic rams to raise the platform straight up. It is perfect for when you need a stable, wide base directly under your overhead work area. If you need to reach up and over an obstacle, you will want a boom-supported platform. The articulating boom allows the basket to move up, down, and sideways. The base features a heavy counterweight system to keep the machine from tipping over when fully extended. Seriously, a scaffold is only as safe as its foundation. When erecting a scaffold on uneven or soft ground, you must use a screw jack to level the structure and a wooden mudsill to distribute the weight so the pole doesn't sink into the earth. Once you are up top, fall protection is non-negotiable. You need a top rail, a mid-rail, and a toe board to stop tools from being kicked off the edge and hitting someone below. Also, look closely at the wooden planks. They must be made of scaffold-grade lumber and have cleats on the underside to prevent them from sliding off the frame while you are walking on them. Before you ever climb a site-structured scaffold, check the tag. A red tag means do not use. A yellow tag means you can use it, but there are specific restrictions or hazards you must be aware of. A green tag means it is fully safe for the stated period. To wrap up, whether you are climbing a tube frame or operating a boom lift, always inspect your equipment, read the operator manuals, and use your fall protection. Your safety is your responsibility. Thanks for watching.